Hello friends, we have received a lot of private message from friends in the backstage of the studio, saying that after watching a lot of product introduction in the studio, they will feel a little boring. Today I will take you to our production base of Geao technology and bring you a new way of experience. Friends can see behind me is the name of our production base, Geao Power Technology Company Limited. Follow me now. Now, friends have approached our production base. Does the building behind me feel more clear, real, and magnificent? What is inside this magnificent building? How do you know my power detector here? You guys want to know? So let's find out. This gate is the entrance to our workshop on the first floor. Friends, now come to our injection molding workshop. Is that exciting? We are about to see what inside. Now change into our clothes before going inside. You can see the mount on the garment is the brand name of Geao. First, friends can see the plastic storage area. Need to make our power adapter casings attach in an orderly and easy to sense. Friends can see the ground is very clean. Also have yellow line of area used to discover between different world areas. The next row is our main character injection molding machine used in the production of our power adapter. So how does our injection molding machine work? You can see our work table with our production process and pay attention to safety slogan, which indicates that our production is safe and have a strict standards. Here is the instrument table of our machine. Its flotation injection molding machine is also automatic production. Now friends, have a look at the cell produced by our injection molding machine. This is the cell of the adapter with a US front. You can see the front and back of the display. The surface of the cell is very smooth, had color, feel very good. Friends can see next to our injection molding machine. Now it's free, feel the high speed, convenient, and advanced machine production. We have always been the pursuit of production safety, efficiency, advanced concept. Now you can watch our style, check the adapter cell. First, we will treat the exact style of the cell, then check the shape of the cell, and finally put it neatly into the rubber frame. Then manufacture cells with beautiful friends. Now continue to roll at another adapter case produced by our injection molding machine. These are the finished cells. It's the quantity too large. It can be seen that our injection molding machine has a fast production speed and high efficiency. Friends can watch the production of the adapter case step by step. First, we put the foot into the model, and then we put it into the machine for processing. And then we produce the cell. also see that the surface of our cell is very clean, colored, without any scratches. After being processed by the machine, our food can be stably reinforced to the cell and will not fall off. Friends can now see the model of the adapter cell. Wow, isn't that a lot? These are the differences and the models of our adapter housing. Here is the model for our 18-volt adapter. Each model is marked with our different volts, bar, and other parameter information. These models are our own appearance patterns. We have a strong research and development ability. So my friends, we can also produce different models according to your product's needs. We support customer service. Open our paper, take out our adapter housing, touch it with your hand if it's very comfortable, shiny surface, no scratches or damage. When you tap with your hands, you can feel that the adapter case is very strong. It is made of our ABS and PC material. Now let's move to other different types of cells. This one comes in a wide case with USB ports. This one is our wide standard case. This one is our convertible US plug. The biggest feature is that it can be easily rotated and replaced on the power adapter, easy to operate. This one is convertible EU plug. This one is convertible plug Y. These convertible pins work well in different countries. We also have cases for other chargers with different USB ports. This one is for our K2 series. Friends can see that there is a thin layer of plastic film about the cell. This is to protect our cell. They're resistant, dust resistant, waterproof. Guys, this word really is for other protection of the cell. Similarly, you can see neatly arranged carton box and plastic frames. This also shows that production workshop of Geao technology is well managed, clean and tidy. Friends can see that our staff is processing adapters, mainly dividing, classifying and using defect products. This also shows that Geao technology pays attention to product quality and the concept of green environmental protection. Do you guys see the two machines behind me? Do you know what this is for? This is our screen printing machine, which is mainly used to customize the logo of our customers. The company information is on the cell. Friends, we support customer service. Looking forward to your logo. Friends, now you have received our injection molding workshop. What do you think? Do you feel the advanced mechanized and scientific production workshop of Geao technology? We have advanced automatic injection molding machines and screen printing machines to improve production efficiency. Of course, the management of our workshop is also orderly and clean. It's totally different from what had expected from factory, isn't it?